going on YouTube? Thanks for watching. In the video today I wanted to address the topic of the health benefits of owning a fish tank or just being around a fish tank. You can get online and you can see that there are tons of documented cases of fish tanks being overall good for your health. So I found an article online. I found a lot of stuff, but there's one article in particular that kind of summed it all up. It's by Corina Dondas, called "The 7 Benefits of Owning an Aquarium." So I'm just going to run through that and kind of some different information to pass along. So to start with, number one, it reduces stress. If you can only watch an aquarium even for just a few minutes a day, it reduces your stress level. It decreases anxiety. Studies have shown that watching an aquarium has a similar effect to hypnosis. You just look at your tank and all your troubles kind of melt away, and it's good for your mind to settle in like that. Watching an aquarium can calm hyperactivity in children. If you have even hyperactivity disorders, so it can increase your personal and your professional productivity. Having an aquarium at your office, it can aid in focus and promote creativity. So maybe I can sell that idea to my boss and have an aquarium at my desk. That's probably not going to happen. It can help patients with Alzheimer's patients when they're around aquariums. They ate more, they were calmer, and they required fewer supplements. It can reduce pain. I don't know about this one, but I'll read it anyway because it was in the article. Dental patients who have watched fish tanks prior to going in to see the dentist have actually been more relaxed and required less pain medication. And lastly, it can also aid in sleep. Having a tank in your bedroom can help calm people and reduce stress, which obviously will help you fall asleep easier. That's, again, the title of that article is 7 Benefits of Owning an Aquarium by Corina Dondas. So I by no means want to take credit for any of that stuff. But I did look up and research quite a bit on the topic, and those same items came up on almost every website I saw, and she just happened to be the one that put all those items into one article, which was made it easier for me to read and research on it. And there's some other stuff too. They did a study that's listed in the Journal of Environmental and Behavioral Sciences, and the study was they set up a fish tank with just decorations and water, no fish, and they had people watch it. And they also set up the same aquarium to the same people, and they added fish to it. So one time they had them watch it with no fish in it. The second time they had them watch it with fish in it. Both times their blood pressure and their heart rate lowered, but when there was fish in the tank, their heart rate and their blood pressure lowered even more. So just watching the motion of the fish helped reduce their blood pressure, reduce their heart rate. So there are tangible benefits that they have found to owning a fish tank. So what does it all mean? What does it mean for us, other than helping your health? Well, this is what it means to me. The next time you want to get a bigger tank, you want to swap out your tank for a bigger one, you want to get an additional one, your husband or wife, they're not really about it. If they've had enough of your tanks, they don't want more tanks, you can simply just tell them, honey, it's for my health.